In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite your building administrator to an event that you've created on Google Calendar. So let's say you've got a phone call from a parent who is more than delighted with the level of education that their child is receiving in your classroom, and they would like to schedule a conference with you to congratulate you on the fine, outstanding job that you are doing. And they've decided that they want to schedule the appointment for 4 p.m. So you're going to create an event, and you definitely want to make sure that your administrator is there to hear all about it. So find the date on which you want the event to occur. Put the mouse right about 4 o'clock. Click, and you will get the opportunity to create a new event. I always like to choose more options. It just takes me to another page where I can control a lot more of this easier. Everything's sort of all in front of you. So I'm going to go to more options, add the title, Super Delighted Parent Conference. All right, and you can change a lot of these settings to whatever you need, but in this video I want to make sure you understand how to invite guests, specifically your building level administrator, to this meeting. So on the right where it says guests, you're going to type in your building level administrator, and your administrator will now get an invitation. Hopefully they accept it so they can hear about all the amazing things that you do. And then you can set permissions for the administrator. Maybe you want them to modify the event. Maybe you want them to invite others. Hey, I've got this amazing conference going on with one of my teachers, Mr. Brooks. You should check it out. And see the guest list so they can see who is going to this event, who's the happy parent, whatever. But that's how you invite your administrator to an event that you have created on Google Calendar. When you're ready, just click Save. Would you like to send invitations? This is a good way to make sure that they see it, or hope that they see it. If you don't, otherwise they could miss it. I'm not going to do it because I'm not actually creating this event. And that's how you invite your administrator to a Google Calendar event.